daily makeup routine, just something simple. So to start off the video, this is my brush kit that I got for Christmas. By the way, if you guys got anything for Christmas or gave anything for Christmas, comments what you got or what you gave to someone, because I'm nosy. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using, what is this? I've never even used this before. Airbrush Silk Pressed Anti-Aging Finished Powder. I guess this is aging powder, so this can work as a what is it called? A concealer, like, you know, under the eyes, right here, you know. So I'll be using this, and like I said, excuse if I cough and stuff. I'm very sick. My actual concealer, which makes your eyes like highlighted. It makes your face highlighted. And I can use LA Colors contour kit. My e.l.f. setting spray. So you spray this on your face after the makeup, so it stays on fresh. You know, your makeup won't smear, because after a couple hours, you know how makeup gets all fringy and stuff. So yeah. Here's another brush that I use. This is old though. I use it for my contour. You know, make the sides of the cheeks dark. And then sometimes I'll use this lipstick. Not often, because I'm just not often. And then the liquid foundation from LA Colors. Oh wow, I actually have the contour and the foundation from LA Colors. Okay, and then my Benefit mascara and my Benefit highlight. It's a little bit messed up because, you know, I use it a lot. I love freaking highlight. So, by the way, comment what's your favorite makeup brand? Honestly, I don't have a favorite makeup brand. I get everything. And I'm also really not that good at makeup, so don't, I'd rather not hear your negativity. Just keep it to yourself. And, this is the Balm Cosmetics. Oh. So, this is for your eyeshadow. Just throw it there. And I also need to find my eyeshadow primer, because I use that a lot. I don't even know where it is, actually, honestly. I found a piece of gum. Oh dang, now I forgot about this too. Another LA Colors little makeup palette thing. So you know what, guys? I think we're gonna have to go without the eyeshadow primer today. So for now, we're just gonna, first thing you do, well, I use foundation and the egg. This is like squishy material, and you put the foundation on here and you like and dab around your face, you know, spread out the foundation. Well, first, damn. Ooh, hold on there. Mineral infused face primer. So this is what you put on your face to help everything like settle, like as you're putting the makeup on, like so it can settle nice, you know, everything's good, soft and everything. So before I even put this on, I need to put this on. Okay, so after I put this on, the primer, for the foundation, I put this on, the foundation, to your egg, and then I just spread it out because my face turns really, my face turns really like orangey and stuff, so. Okay. See how it makes your face like, oh, I hate that. I'm gonna just spread it out because this is really not the best egg to use. So I hate that it makes my face like orange. Dang, and I have something in my eye, of course. Put a little bit on your ears too, so your face is not just like so orangey and then your ears are just white. Like, come on now. Okay, so. And yeah, you do want to put it, you know, inside of your hair a little bit. It's going to get in your hair. Like, calm down. It's normal. Like, unless you just want your face looking orangey and then, you know, you have a whole, like, line around your face that's just white. Like, okay, by all means, do you, sis? But, whatever floats your boat. Oh damn, I just put my eye really hard. Ah. Okay, so after you have foundation on, you can use this, or you can use the some type of like white powdery shit to like put under your eyes. I prefer to use this because honestly I've never used this and I don't know what the hell that does, so, or like what it will do to my face. So then after you apply this, you can use this again to smear it out, you know, even it out on your face. So after you have that one, you need to can do this one, and then after this is done, it's really freaking white. So, let me see. So right now, it should look like that. You have your foundation, well, you have your base, and then you have your foundation. And then you apply a little bit of foundation or anything that makes your eyelids like a little bit lighter than the rest of your face. So, you know, it pops out and you don't see any dark spots. And then, after that, you can do your contour. Most females don't like contour, but me personally, I love contour and I also love highlight. So therefore, I'm gonna be doing contour and highlight, obviously. So this is the color that I use for my contour. So contour goes like more like down here. When I first started doing contour, I used to have it like all up here, and then my highlight used to be all up there, but I've got better. So I'll just apply it right here a little bit. And if you go like this, it just helps a little bit with the never mind, I have another word. And what contour does is it just brings out your cheekbone. So it makes it a little bit like more intense looking, like it's sharp. Excuse my long nose, Lord Jesus. Okay, so after you do your cheeks, you can apply it to your like the sides of your nose, so right here, and the other side. Just do it softly. You don't even need a lot of pressure. And putting contour in by your nose just makes your nose look a little bit more smaller and skinnier. Honestly, my nose is fucking huge, so that's not really gonna help. Oh, and you can like add the light colors to the bottom of your eye, like to make it more lighter. And then you also can put that on your nose right here, because this is where highlight is gonna go. Like down your nose and then right there. And then you can put it like all right here. The light. I just use yellow because it's good for me. And then this can go right here. Some more light. And then I forgot the contour, the rest of the contour, you can just put it like you go around your face, kind of like